Man got a big old snake. He fighting that snake. He fighting it, look. He fighting that snake. He trying to make sure that snake don't bite him. Yeah. Yeah, I just finished the yard. Dang, that snake kind of thick. Man, what is it? Oh, he looked like he gulped him down. He tried to put that weight on it. Oh yeah. He's still fighting it. Look. Ooh, that snake. Ooh, look. Did he get it? Come on now, did he get that? What's he doing? Why is he playing with the snake? Why is he playing with it? What kind of snake is it? Okay. Ain't nobody trying to help him with that snake. Oh yeah, he wrestling with that snake. Here she got Mr. Y2K. You know, if anytime I see anything, this, you know what? You might only see something that you're interested in once a year with my channel. I'm gonna be honest with you. But I'm gonna always post videos 2-3 times a day. And why is he like, what is up with this? I think he trying to make sure the snake trying to yeah, see, if that was a worm, he would have shook that worm one time and all the guts would have came out. But that's a snake. It's a little bit more well built. And just think, I was cutting grass and all that, and I was in danger of messing with all them snakes. I seen a snake when I first was cutting. I was gonna go get my snake boots, but I decided, nah. Okay, I think he took care of it. Yeah, he took care of it. Let's go check it out real quick. I don't know, I didn't see him scuff that snake down. Let's see if he, yeah, let's see. Where is that snake? Maybe he ate it, but he too calm. I don't think he ate that snake. Yeah, I think he might have. Yeah, I think he might have got tired of wrestling with that snake and let that snake go. Well, anyway, guys, I done cut this. Oh, look. There go another one. Now, that's not no hell of a... That's just like a little bitty. Oh, yeah. See, that's another one. Oh, yeah. That one not as big as the last one. That's a snake, too. Yeah, that's a snake. Oh, yeah, he trying to get that one down. Yeah, that's a snake, too. Oh, yeah. See. Yeah, he trying to go up that down. We're gonna try to follow him until he get rid of this. We're gonna see exactly what he do. Y2K National Geographics. Oh yeah, he gulped that down. Yeah, he gulped that down. I saw it go down. Oh yeah. Alright guys. With that being said, I'm out. Cut the camera. She got Mr. Y2K. I wanna see if they gonna get another one. Alright.